iOS 18 update. Unlock new features and customizations for your phone. Apple has rolled out its long-awaited iOS 18 update for the iPhone, bringing a host of exciting new features and enhancements. This latest software update arrived ahead of the highly anticipated iPhone 16 release and promises to revolutionize the iPhone experience. Here are the top changes and improvements you can expect from iOS 18. With iOS 18, you'll have more flexibility to personalize your iPhone's home screen. You can now place app icons and widgets anywhere on the screen, adjust their size, and even remove the name underneath. Additionally, color tinting options allow you to match your apps and widgets with your wallpaper. Dark mode has also been enhanced, enabling icons to automatically adjust or remain in dark mode. The Messages app has received a significant overhaul in iOS 18. New features include animated text effects such as ripples and nods, text formatting options like bold, underline, strike through, and italics, expanded tap-back reactions with emoji and stickers, scheduled message sending, and RCS support for enhanced message with non-iPhone users. iOS 18 introduces a standalone passwords app, making it easier to access and manage your passwords. You can also set up two-factor authentication verification codes within the app. The Photos app has been revamped, featuring collections, organizing your library by topic, pinnable collections and customization options, recent days viewing, filter button for media type, favorites, and other views. Although not included in the initial iOS 18 release, Apple Intelligence will arrive with the upcoming iOS 18.1 update. This AI-powered feature will integrate with Siri, Photos, and other apps, enabling capabilities such as AI-generated emojis, image playground, enhanced file and photo organization, and task automation.